ESLpod.com. This website provides daily audio lessons on a range of topics, including grammar, vocabulary, and idioms. Each lesson is designed to help learners improve their listening comprehension and overall understanding of the English language. The lessons are available at different levels, from beginner to advanced, making it suitable for learners at any stage of their language learning journey. Randall's ESL Cyber Listening Lab. This website features a wide range of listening exercises, including audio and video activities, along with accompanying quizzes and comprehension questions. The materials are designed to help learners improve their listening skills in a fun and engaging way. BBC Learning English. This website offers a variety of resources, including videos, podcasts, and articles, on a range of topics, from current events to grammar and vocabulary. The materials are designed to help learners improve their listening skills, as well as their overall understanding of the English language. VOA Learning English. This website provides news stories in simplified English, along with accompanying audio recordings, transcripts, and vocabulary quizzes. The materials are designed to help learners improve their listening skills and expand their vocabulary. TED Talks. TED Talks are a great resource for improving listening skills, as they feature engaging talks on a variety of subjects by experts in their fields. The talks are available with subtitles in multiple languages, making them accessible to learners from all over the world. Before you watch the top 5, subscribe to the channel to receive more videos like this one. EnglishCentral.com. This website provides authentic English language videos, along with interactive tools to improve listening comprehension and speaking skills. The videos are available at different levels, making them suitable for learners of all abilities. Ello.org. This website features a large collection of audio and video lessons, conversations, and interviews with people from all over the world. The materials are designed to help learners improve their listening skills and learn about different cultures and dialects. Fluentu.com. This website offers a range of videos with subtitles and interactive features to help learners practice listening, vocabulary, and grammar skills. The videos cover a range of topics, from news and current events to entertainment and culture. Breaking News English. This website provides audio news stories in graded levels, along with quizzes and activities to help learners practice listening and comprehension skills. The materials are designed to help learners stay up to date with current events while improving their English skills. Cambridge English Online. This website offers a range of listening activities for learners of all levels, including interactive exercises, quizzes, and audio recordings. The materials are designed to help learners improve their listening skills and prepare for English language exams. Overall, each of these websites offers a variety of resources and materials to help learners improve their listening skills in a fun and engaging way. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, there's something for everyone on these sites.